What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bold Finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to open up a Robinhood investment account. So Robinhood's a great platform to start trading stocks, options, ETFs, and mutual funds. It's 100% commission free, and their platform is very easy to use. So today we're going to sign up for Robinhood through desktop. Keep in mind that if you do sign up through desktop, you can also download their app and access your account via the mobile app. So in order to sign up for Robinhood, just go to robinhood.com and then click on sign up in the top right corner of the screen. So one nice thing about Robinhood is they do give you a free stock to start your account off with. Now the value of the stock most of the time is going to be about $10. However, the stock value can range up to $165, which is a pretty nice perk as far as opening up a Robinhood account. So click on the button that says claim your free stock now, and then that will link to the next page, which is the actual sign up page. Now, signing up for a Robinhood investment account is very similar to signing up for a checking or savings account, where you'll need to have your personal information in order to open up the account. So when you are filling in these details, make sure that the information is 100% accurate. So on this page, you want to enter your first name, last name, email, and password, and then click on continue. On the next page, you'll have to enter your phone number, residential address, city, state, and zip code. Now, on the next page, you'll have to enter your social security number, date of birth, and citizenship, and this is required to verify your identity in order to open up the Robinhood account. On the next page, you'll ask you how much investment experience do you have. This is just Robinhood trying to understand what kind of account owner you will be, whether you are a expert investor or a beginner investor. So click on what is appropriate to you, and then just click on continue. So then we'll ask you whether or not you want commission-free options trading once your account is approved. So there's a additional approval process in order to trade options on Robinhood after you open up your account. And if you click on yes, then they will go through that application process once your account is open. However, if you don't want to trade options, then feel free to select no. And then once you make your selection, click on continue. Then Robinhood will ask you about your employment status, as this is required by law. So just state whether you're employed, unemployed, retired, or a student, and then click on continue. Now, if you did select that you are employed, it will ask about your employer information. So go ahead and enter that information and then click on continue. It then will ask, are you or a family member a senior executive or 10% shareholder at a publicly traded company? This is required by law, again, for Robinhood to ask you this. And basically all this is that if you are a 10% or greater shareholder of a publicly traded company like Apple, Amazon, you do need to report this, as it is required by law. So go ahead and select the option that's best for you. For most of us, of course, this will be no. And then click on continue. It will then ask, do you or a family member work for another brokerage? Again, this is required by law for Robinhood to ask you this. It's just asking if you are associated with any financial institution other than Robinhood. So maybe you, for example, work for JP Morgan or TD Ameritrade, then this would apply to you. However, most of us will select no and then click on continue. We're now at the end of the application process for Robinhood. So you get to this page here where it says submit your application. Please review the information below. So what you want to do is just click on the review button and then just review the information to make sure that it's 100% accurate. Once you click on the review button, automatically scroll to the bottom of the page, and then it will ask you if you want to submit your application. When you do hit submit application, it will take a few days for it to process and for your Robinhood account to fully open. So once you do hit submit, then that process will be started, and it will be about 1 to 3 business days for Robinhood to fully process your application. Once you hit submit and submit your application, you'll be asked whether or not you want to fund your account. You can do this now or later, and then you can hook up your bank account to actually fund your Robinhood investment account. You'll get to this page here where it says welcome to Robinhood, and as of now, you won't be able to trade stocks yet since your account is not verified. Like I said, it takes a couple business days for it to be fully verified. However, in the meantime, you will be able to access certain tools in Robinhood, such as searching for stocks, looking at different charts, etc. So You just have to wait a few business days for your account to be actually verified, and then you can go ahead and place orders. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.